In this video, I'll guide you through how to run a headcount report on Gusto. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this tutorial will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can gather the data you need with ease. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the left-hand menu on your Gusto dashboard. This menu is your gateway to various functionalities that Gusto offers, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with it if you haven't already. Once you're in the menu, look for the option labeled Reports. Clicking this will take you to the Reports section, where you can access a variety of reporting tools provided by Gusto. Now, in the Reports section, you'll see several options. Here, you have the choice to either create a new report or select from existing templates. For our purpose today, go ahead and click on Create Report. This option is great because it allows you to customize the report to fit your specific needs. However, if you find a template that already includes employee profile data that suits your needs, feel free to use that instead. Once you've decided to create a new report, you'll be taken to a screen where you can choose the specific data you want to include. This is where the magic happens. On this screen, you'll find a column selection drawer. This drawer is essentially your toolbox for pulling in the data that you need. To get the most comprehensive headcount report, you'll want to expand two key categories in this drawer: employee and work address. By expanding these categories, you can see all the available fields related to employees and their work locations. This is crucial because it allows you to tailor the report precisely to your requirements. Now, go ahead and check the boxes for the fields you want to include in your roster count. These fields might include employee names, job titles, departments, and work locations, among others. It's important to only select the fields that are pertinent to your headcount report to avoid cluttering your report with unnecessary data. Once you've selected all the desired fields, you're ready to generate the report. Gusto will compile the information and present it in a clear and organized manner. This will allow you to easily analyze your headcount data and make informed decisions based on the findings. And there you have it. Running a headcount report on Gusto is as simple as navigating through a few menus and selecting the data you need. This process not only saves you time, but also helps ensure accuracy in your reporting. Remember, having a clear and accurate headcount is essential for effective workforce planning and management. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials on how to make the most of Gusto's features. With practice, you'll become proficient at generating all kinds of reports that can help streamline your HR tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy reporting.